have more clarity on the presentation, because the screen is bigger, so you can use better visibility. Okay. Yeah. Right. Yes. Next, please in a peaceful place and avoid all the distractions, which I'm going to, you may have so many questions in between the webinar. Whatever the questions you get, you ask me in the last 30 minutes of the time, because right now already 190, 195 plus people in the webinar. So replying you immediately is very difficult and quite difficult. So I'll answer you all your questions in the last 30 minutes of the time without answering your questions, and I'm not going to end the session. Okay, so please in a peaceful place. And by the way, who I am, what I am. So my name is Satish Konakalla, and I'm founder and CEO of Satish Academy. I trained more than 4,500 plus people in the last 4.5 years of time, and I help the people to become certified Vedic maths teacher. And I'm a founder and CEO of Satish Academy, and I'm working with 95 plus schools directly and help 5,000, 40,000 plus children indirectly through the schools and through the teachers. So I started a tuition center in 2014. Okay. And at the age of 22, I'm 1992 born. I started at 1990, born in 1992, started in 22 years of age of my first branch in Hyderabad, the area name called Srinagar Colony. So I expanded to 3 branches and I ran successfully for 6 years of time. And then in the point of lockdown, I had to close everything because of COVID and lockdown. So at that moment, I converted my skill of Vedic maths into teacher training company, and I started training elders. So the name called teacher training company, but I started taking training for elders. So since 4.5 years of time, I trained more than 4,500 plus people. Okay, so I am clear about what we are going to teach, what I'm going to teach. If you concentrate for the next 60 minutes, no need to stay for 90 minutes. If you can concentrate the first 60 minutes, 9:15 to 10:15, okay, 9:15 p.m. to 10:15. If you like the first 60 minutes of the time, you can continue for the last 30 minutes of the time. So I request you to focus, because I am making money from last 11 years by using the Vedic maths. I still make in future as well. I learned this subject only one time in 2014. And I paid 25,000 when in 2014 to learn the same Vedic maths. Okay. Even today, I am making money out of Vedic maths. So this is not a small opportunity. It's a very big opportunity in part-time. Who wanted to teach children and make money in part-time, and this is the best opportunity. So it's ideal for teachers and homemakers and tuition teachers and schools and many more. So stay focused for 60 minutes. I'll try my best to cover everything in 60 minutes of the time. So everybody can teach Vedic maths, but you should learn from a proper teacher. How can you start your classes? You should learn from proper institute or a proper teacher. See, we are a private limited company, and we are also ISO certified company. The certification number, so 9001 and 2015 is the latest certification for the people in educational domain. So 9001 and 2015 a certified company. We are also MSME registered, and we have Ujjogadar, we have private limited, and we have ISO certified, and we have some listings in Hindustan Times, Class Plus, and the other awards as well. I'll show you all the stuff by end of the session. Okay, and before I get started, let me inform you 2 things. One thing, and this 90 minutes, I'm dividing into 3 parts. The first part, the first 30 minutes, I'm going to talk about techniques and tricks of Vedic maths and how these techniques are different than conventional maths. And part two, I'm going to talk about how I'm going to help you to grow in part-time. Okay, and how I'm going to help you as a company. Okay, and I'll show you the proofs, and I'll show you the more detailed information, what all you are going to get, and everything in the last 30 minutes of the time. People who understood everything in 60 minutes of the time, then last 30 minutes, I'll reveal the pricing, and I'll talk to you, and I'll even talk to you in live meeting. I'll answer your questions and everything in the last 30 minutes of the time. Okay, so let's kickstart the session. And second point, before I get started, let me ask you one more point. The point is, where are you from? And I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. So please tell me, where are you from? Type your city name in the chat box. After typing, please check the other people which city is from. Hyderabad, Kolkata, Tamil Nadu, Housepet, Bangalore, Karnataka, Jabalpur, Thane, Rajasthan, Kota, Haryana, Chennai, Meghalaya, Odisha, Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, New Delhi, Kashmir, Tamil Nadu, Jamshedpur, Hyderabad, Gatprabha, okay, Kamareddy, Delhi, Chennai, Punjab. Please type your city name and city name or state name. Krishnagiri, Vijayanagara. Yes, that's it. Salem. Please type. Just 2 minutes. See, after typing it, please check other people because you are not alone in the meeting. Along with you, there are many people in this meeting. Okay. Kamareddy, Telangana. Bagalkot, Madhya Pradesh, Lonavala, Bhopal, Maharashtra. Please type your city name in the chat box. Hyderabad. Great. Salem, Cuttack, Punjab, Delhi, Hyderabad. See, if you see more than 15 states people, more than 15 states people joined in this meeting, right? So I request you to focus more on my presentation for the next 30 minutes of the time. Thank you so much for people who are typing it. Okay, let me start with the question. Let me start with a simple technique. The simple technique is here is the question for you is, can you solve this question in one step and in 10 seconds? Without Vedic maths, can you solve this question in one step? Say yes or no. I'll teach you in 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will be able to start. You will be able to do that. Can you solve this question in one step? No, no, no. I'm talking about without Vedic maths. With Vedic maths, it's possible. I'm talking about without Vedic maths. No, no, no. Thank you so much for all the people who said no. Okay. Yes. Now, let me show you the technique in just 5 minutes. And after the 5 minutes, you will be able to do the calculation in one step in 10 seconds. So this is multiplicand and this is multiplier. This is multiplicand and multiplier. So take multiplicand 462. 462. Subtract 1 from the multiplicand. 462 minus 1, 461. And after the subtraction, subtract every digit from 9. Subtract every digit from 9. See, so 9 in the mind we have to do, okay? In the mind we have to do 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 1, 8. The answer is 461, 538. Please have a calculator with you and check the answer. Just imagine how I'm solving it in one step. That is only possible with Vedic maths. That is only possible with Vedic maths. Take multiplicand. Let me repeat. Take multiplicand and subtract 1 from the multiplicand and then subtract every digit in the answer from 9. Thank you so much, Manish. Thank you so much, Gopala, for typing wow and correct. Thank you. Now, take multiplicand and less 1. 7, 3, 4, 2. And after the subtraction, and subtract every digit from 9. So 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 2, 7 is the answer. 7342267 is the answer. One step, one step. Thank you so much for doing it in one step. Okay, next. Now, as I said, as I promised you that I'm going to help you to do it in one step, the big calculation. So now I'm going to do it for you one step. You can also do it with me in the chat box. 6, 3, 8, 2, 4, 7. And then subtract everything in the mind. Basically, you will learn in the coaching program how to do it in the mind. So you can do it in the mind. 9 minus 6, 3, 6, 1, 7, 5, 2 is the answer. If you felt amazing, type A in the chat box. If you felt amazing, type A in the chat box. Thank you, Sagar. Thank you, Bhargavi. Thank you, Poonam, Ramani, Ujjwala, Rohit, Chandralal, Manish, Shivam, Padma, Sagar, Mubina, Kaveri. Okay, I'm not able to read all the names, but I'm trying to read my name, few names. Isha Gupta, Kranti, Pratibha. Wonderful, wonderful. Faria, Ravali, Indira, Meera. Thank you so much for all the people who is typing amazing chat box. I would love to interact with you. Please try to interact in the chat box. Okay, try to interact as much as you in the chat box, because if you interact, I'll get more interest to teach you, right? Yeah, Kishore, Banu Pratap, thank you so much. Let's increase the difficulty level of the concept. Let's increase the difficulty level of the concept. The next concept name is base method. I'm going to teach you base method. First of all, what is base? What is base? Any number, okay, any number which ends with 0 is called base number. Let's example, base 10, base 100, base 1000, base 10,000, base 1 lakh, and so on. Any number which ends with the 0 is called base number. So today, as a demo class, I'll teach you with the base 100. In every base number, we have 3 different types. Okay, 3 different types. But today, I'll show you 2 different types to solve in one step in 2 seconds. In Vedic maths, everything is possible. In Vedic maths, everything is possible, but you have to learn basics and advanced, and you have to learn step by step. Okay, yeah, everything is possible, Mr. Tarun. Okay, yeah, now look at this base method, base 100 and below the base. 100 is the base, and I'm taking the numbers below the 100. So don't look at the concept, look at the numbers. So if you look at the numbers, just imagine, I hope you're having pen and paper with you. Just imagine this question. If I ask you 88 into 95, I need an answer from you in just 2 seconds. Okay, I just need an answer in 2 seconds. Is it possible without Vedic maths? Bhargavi ma'am, if you already know Vedic maths, I request you to be silent. Okay, yeah, I request you to be silent. So 2 seconds, not possible, right? But I will show you the method how to do that in just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will be able to do it in 2 seconds. Concentrate on the method. Okay, yeah, 100 minus 6, 100 minus 8, 100 minus 6, 100 minus 8. This is RHS, right hand side. This is LHS, left hand side. Okay, RHS, LHS. RHS 6 multiply with 8, RHS 48. Take the number RHS 6 multiply with 8, 48. The right hand side answer is 48. And left hand side answer 94 minus 8. 94 minus 8, cross subtraction. 94 minus 8, the answer will be 8, 6. That's the answer. Check with the calculator. Check with the calculator. I'll explain you a second example. Left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side. Amazing. One more example. Let me give you clarity on the concept. One more example. Minus 3 minus 9. Right hand side. 3 into 9, 27. 3 into 9, 27. Cross subtraction. 97 minus 9, 88. 88, 27 is the answer. Just imagine being an elder. If you practice 20 to 30 examples like this, you will be able to do it. The same question in one step, everything in the mind. Minus 12, minus 12, minus 5. 12 5s are 60. 88 minus 5, 83. 83 60 answered in the one step in 2 seconds. Amazing. If you felt fantastic, type F in the chat box. If you felt fantastic, type F in the chat box. EF in the chat box. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Thank you so much for all the people. Thank you. Next concept. So all the things are similar, but not same. Thank you. Thank you. I'm not able to read all the people, but name. Yes, I'm seeing it. Uma Maheshwari ma'am, Rakhi. Going fast. Uma Maheshwari ma'am, Vedic maths is the first calculation techniques. If I go slow, people will lose the interest. So this is the first calculation techniques, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, you have to solve. In the coaching program, I'll give more examples. You understand more properly because here the people are focusing is very important. You have to focus more to understand. Okay. Yeah. Next concept. Similar concept, next concept. Please check people who not understand. Look at the next concept, they'll understand. So base above the method, above the base method, above the base, above the 100. So here 100 plus 8, 100 plus 9, 100 plus 8, 100 plus 9. The previous concept below. So minus 100 minus something, 100 minus something. This is above 100 plus something, 100 plus something. Okay. So 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. As I already told you, Vedic maths, everything is similar, but not same. As I already told you, 108 plus 9, 117. 117, 72 is the answer. Amazing. Amazing. Yes. So plus 12 plus 6. 12 6 are 72. So 112 plus 6, 118 is the answer. 112 plus 6, 118 is the answer. Plus 12 plus 6. 12 6 are 72. 112 plus 6, 118 is the answer. Understood? Now plus 19 plus 5. 1 plus 19 plus 5. 19 5s are 95. 119 plus 5, 124. Answering in one step in less than not even 2 seconds, guys. Less than 2 seconds. Okay. If you practice 30 to 40 examples on the concepts, you will definitely do it. This is level 3 concept of Vedic maths. Okay. So now this is not the end. I'll show you now magical technique with the Vedic maths. I'll show you now magical technique with the Vedic maths. If you learn the technique, if you understand that technique, you will be able to do any kind of multiplication in one step, any multiplication, but you need some more basics. But try to focus of doing the concept. Please, magical technique. I hope you're all concentrating more. I request you to increase your focus and concentration. Next 15 minutes. Next 15 minutes, let me show you the technique now. Base method, base 1 lakh. What is base 1 lakh? So similarly, let's try plus 9, 1 lakh plus 9, 1 lakh plus 8. So the answer will be 8 nines are 72, 1 lakh 9 plus 7, 1 lakh 9 plus 8 will give you 1 lakh 17. If you check with the calculator, the answer is absolutely wrong. If you check with the calculator, the answer is wrong. What would be the right answer? Okay, if you check with the calculator, the answer is wrong. What would be the right answer? Please think. See now. See now. I'm going to reveal you one magical technique. Write on this technique. I request you to write on this technique. Anyway, tomorrow I'll share you this PDF to you in the WhatsApp. People who are staying till 10:30, people whoever is staying till 10:30, I'll share you the PDF to them. Okay? Yeah. So, magical technique. Right? Yeah. The technique is the number of digits in the right hand side, RHS, the number of digits RHS, right hand side answer should be equal to the number of zeros in the base. What is the base? What is the base? Base 1 lakh. How many zeros are there in 1 lakh? We have 5 zeros. We have 5 zeros. According to the formula, in the right hand side answer, I need 5 digits. Yes, I is supposed to get 5 digits. But how many digits I'm going to get? See, let's see. So plus 9, plus 9, plus 8. 8, 9, 72. 7, 2, 72. So left hand side is common. So 1 lakh 8 plus 9 will give you 1 lakh 17. What about the missing digits of 3 digits? 3 digits are missing. Carefully watch. The number of digits in the right hand side answer should be equal to the number of zeros in the base. Okay. So there are 3 digits are missing. The 3 missing digits are going to be 0 and 0 and 0. The answer is this. 1,17,000,070. Why we have to take only zeros? Why not other numbers? That part you will learn in my paid coaching program. Okay. Who can learn Vedic maths? Grade 5th and above children can learn Vedic maths, but my coaching program is only for elders. If you learn, you can teach your children. If you learn, you can teach the student and make money in part-time. Okay, I teach only elders. Okay, great. Next one. Let me give you one more example and let me give you a clarity on the concept more. So, base 10,000. According to this, base is 10,000. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. So I supposed to get 4 digits right hand side. If you see 10,012 plus 13 will give me plus 12 plus 13. 13 into 12 will give me 1, 5, 1, 5, 6. 156. And left hand side is 10,000. 12 plus 13, 25. The missing digit is going to be 0. My question is one thing. If it is amazing, wonderful, fantastic, whatever you felt, please type in the chat box. Whatever you felt, please type in the chat box. Amazing, amazing, super great. Thank you. Thank you, Revati ma'am, Indumati ma'am, Bindia, Bhargavi, Sagar, amazing, Gunjan, Chenchal, Uma, Nilofer, uh, Kishore. I'm trying to read very fast. If I read wrongly your name, I'm so sorry. Rahmani, Likita Reddy, Mubina, Jaspai, Sashikala, Durga, Padma, Lovepreet, Gayatri, Ravali, Arun Kumar. That's it. This is only encouragement. Only these many people are attending my, listening my session. Meera, Rohit, Meenal, Nishita. Thank you so much. Gopala, Poonam. Thank you. Banu Pratap, Archana, Usman. Wonderful. Thank you so much. See, what I request you is now take a screenshot. You just relax and think. You just relax and think. Before this concept, if somebody, your teacher, if somebody give you this problem, how many steps it is required to solve? How much time it is required to solve? Okay. If you look at my explanation, how many examples you required, how many steps you required, how simply I'm solving it. So if this kind of techniques the children learned, the children will get the confidence on the math subject. So many people have a fear on maths. Why people have a fear on maths? Because lack of confidence. By looking at this kind of techniques, by listening this kind of techniques, by learning this kind of techniques, children will get the confidence on their subject, trust, hope, belief, confidence. So then the results will come. So write down this example on your own. Try to do it step by step. If you do it step by step in the conventional method, it will take at least 3 to 4 minutes. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah. So see, Rahmani, there are more depth. I'm just teaching you demo class. It's a demo class. I can only teach you some techniques which can help you to understand. So anything can be possible in the paid coaching program. See, Naresh sir, see, your question is very good. So if you ask me double two, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose if you are a second grade student, if you ask me 10th class question, will you understand? If you are a grade 2 student, if I teach you 10th class question, will you understand, Naresh sir? So the question is which you are asking is also similar only. So the question which you are asking me is required more basics, more understanding, more practice. That is possible. With Vedic maths, you will solve that question also in one step, Naresh sir. But you need time, you need practice, more basics. You need to learn other concepts also to understand random numbers for multiplication. Clear, sir? Yeah. Thank you so much. Let's go to the one more concept. So look at this. Write down with me a problem. Now we'll go to the squares. So I need an answer in 806 whole square. I need an answer in 806 whole square. Okay. Okay. So 806 whole square. In general method, you know how to solve this question. How to solve that question? A plus B whole square formula. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. So you have to do it. 806 can be written as 800 plus 6 whole square. Okay. Plus 6 whole square. Then you have to apply A plus B whole square formula. Then you will get the answer. Look at my answer with Vedic maths. Look at my answer. People, I request, if you're a teacher, you know these techniques, few techniques, please don't write answer. Let me help the people who don't know. Okay, so it's 9:30. IPL match is coming. Enjoy your time. If you already know, I am making more than 4 lakhs by taking Vedic maths classes, 4 to 5 lakhs every month. So if you already know this technique, instead of typing the messages in the chat box, enjoy IPL match. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Look at this question. I'll show you the question in one step. So 806 whole square. 8 square. Step 1. 8 square. 64. Okay. 64. And step 2. Step 2. 6 square. 36. 36. And step 3. Step 3 is 8 6er. 8 6er, 48. 48, double of the 48, double the 48. I'm talking about method. 48 double is 96. That's the answer. If you know how to do it, a plus b whole square formula, you try to do it, how difficult it is, how many steps it comes, how many steps it is required. Look at my calculation, how simply I solved. If you not understand, don't worry. I'll explain you 2 more examples. Please do focus. Okay, please do focus. So this question, if you understand now, you can write the answers as well. So look at this. 7 square, 49. 7 square, 49. 4 square, 16. 7 multiply with 4, 28. 28 double, 28 double, 56. One step. Once the last technique which I'm teaching you now, that is today. So then we'll go for the part 2. So 30 minutes gone like anything. I hope you enjoyed the techniques. 30 minutes gone like anything. So 4 square, 16, and 9 square, 81. 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. 36 double, 72. Okay, 16, 72, 81. I hope everyone understood the concept. See, in the squares also, there are 9 methods. In my coaching program, there are 9 methods. So I taught you only one technique. So the remaining 8 techniques we will teach. This is a demo session. I hope you are all elders, you are all matured, and you all know what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, this is a demo class. Yes, if it is amazing, let me see how many people, how much of the percent of the people are most happy. I'm launching a poll right now. I'm launching a poll. Reply me in the poll question. How much of you are happy? If you're so happy, okay, if you're so happy, please reply me in the poll question so that I'll understand how much percentage of the people are happy. If you're happy, type yes or no in the poll question. If you're using mobile, you will get a poll option here. Please type your reply in the poll option. Okay, yes, yes, 45 seconds time. Within 15 seconds, 62% people replied. Great response from you guys. 62% replied within 15 seconds time. So we'll go to part 2. After the poll, you can see in your mobile, you have an option called poll option. You can see the poll. So 75% people replied already. Last 10 seconds. So last 10 seconds, guys. So we'll go to part 2. We'll go to part 2. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for focusing on it. So I can consider people who answered the question. So they're concentrating it. So nobody said negative. Thank you so much for all the people. Let me share the poll results to you. So as of now, 89% people replied via poll. All 89% people said yes. Thank you so much for all your understanding. In just 30 minutes, I tried my best to give you some information, the beauty of Vedic maths, the power of Vedic maths, the magic of Vedic maths. Now, let me teach you how I'm going to help you. What is my coaching program? What we charge and everything I'm going to tell you in next 30 minutes of the time. It is right now 9:40. So 30 minutes by 10:10 or 10:15, I will reveal my coaching program. If you find it is useful, if you find you can help children, if you find you can make money, if you find you're interested in part-time, listen to me carefully for the next 30 minutes of the time. At 10:15, I will reveal the price of my coaching program. Then you take a decision to register or to grow or to continue your life as usual. Okay? Yeah. Let me tell you who I am. My name is Satish Konakalla. I'm a founder and CEO of Satish Academy, and I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana, Telugu. Okay, I know Telugu and English, and I'm founder and CEO of Satish Academy, and I trained over more than 4,500 plus people in the last 4.5 years, and we trained more than 3,000 plus teachers in Abacus, and we are working with 95 plus schools directly. We are helping 40,000 children through teachers and schools indirectly. This is my basic story of my profile. Okay, let's jump into coaching program. What all we provide, what all we going to do it. See, you're going to learn Vedic maths from experts. That's me. I'm going to teach you. You believe it or not, I'll show you the proof in this 30 minutes only. I literally trained more than 4,500. I'll show you the proof for that. Okay, and I'll provide you. We take 6 levels of coaching program. Okay, we have 6 levels of coaching program, and every level will provide you one practice book. So you will get 5 books for 6 levels, and we take classes in live. So we believe live classes will be more interactive, more interesting, more engagement. We can answer immediately. So we prefer live classes. Of course, if the price is little bit higher side, but live classes will give you more knowledge. So we believe in that live classes. So we take live classes. This is also live. It's right now exactly time is 9:41, but this is also live. This is also live, but I'm not interacting because more than 190, 200 plus people right now. But in the class, we have 30, 40 children. So 30, 40 people in every batch. So we can interact there. Okay. And not only live classes, we will provide you recordings of live classes a lifetime. So every meeting will be recorded, guys. Every meeting will be recorded. And the recording of the live classes will be shared with you. Let just like this. Let me record this.
Recording in progress.
Simple. So I have a paid version of Zoom, and I can teach unlimited classes, unlimited time. So we record the session like this. We will give you the recording after every class. So, and those recordings will be with you for lifetime. And we will, and I said, I'll provide you practice books, right? And that practice books, we will deliver to your home. In India, no company is providing practice books in Vedic maths. I can bet on it. Okay. And we'll provide you a free home delivery. And we also provide you a certificate, physical certificate to your home, and international valid certificate, and which is going to be done after the examination of the Vedic maths. And live classes, recordings, books, practice book, free delivery for the books, and free delivery for certificate, physical certificate, and PDF. Digital certificate will provide you. Physical certificate with a proper frame certificate we will provide you in our coaching program. Now, before I continue further, let me teach you something. So remember this: books. Vedic Maths level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and level 6. See, remember these books. Will provide you free of cost these books. I'll answer it. Remember these books. Books is just remember the name called books. I'll tell you why I'm stressing on this word. I'll tell you why you can trust me by based on these books. This is we created, Satish Academy. We created. You cannot find anywhere in the India. You can only find these books in my company. So I'll tell you one most important point at 10 before revealing the pricing regarding the books. Okay. And this is one more, just a book for you, Abacus books. If you're already Abacus teacher, just I'm advertising for this. So we have multicolor Abacus books. No company in India have multicolor except one company, but that company charges a lot. So we have a multicolor books in Abacus as well. Okay. Now let me come back to the presentation. We deal with Abacus, Vedic Maths, and Rubik's Cube. So, but today we are discussing only regarding Vedic Maths. Okay. Next, my specialty, my beauty of my coaching program is we not only teach you a Vedic Maths, we also teach you how you grow with the Vedic Maths, how you can grow with the Vedic Maths. Okay. How you can grow with the Vedic Maths. That is business coaching program. This is Very, very important. If you learn subject, if you don't know how to use that subject, there is no use with the subject. Many people learn things, but they don't know how to implement, how to capitalize, how to make productivity out of it. They don't make money. It's end. But if you're joining with us, we will help you how to make money by using Vedic Maths as a lifetime course, and I'll provide you additionally 20 hours of training. Apart from 15 classes, I'll provide you 20 hours of additional coaching. That is career with Vedic Maths, and 5 hours, and I'm going to take 5 hours. I'm going to take how you can build your classes with Vedic Maths. And many people worry about marketing. If you are also someone who need help in marketing, tell me marketing mastery. I'll provide you 30 plus ideas how to get children. Okay, how many of you want this one? Marketing support. Type me in the chat box. Type me in the chat box. Marketing knowledge. So I will provide you the marketing support to get the admissions for lifetime. So because if you learn something in one time, you can use the skill for lifetime. Because if you learn Vedic Maths, many people worry about how to get children. They will worry about how to get children. It's not a big deal. See, I am 32 years old, 1992 born. If I trained more than 4,500 people in the 4 years of time, just imagine if you are elder than me. Okay, just imagine how much you can do. It's all about difference between you and me. The people who are elder than me, who's not making much, is only barrier is knowledge. So that knowledge you have to learn. I learned the knowledge. I am making money. I spent a lot of time on the learning. So I am making money. It's all simple. If you're younger than me or elder than me, you have to learn. If you learn, you can also grow. So I'll provide you the marketing things, how to get the admissions. Not only that, you're listening to me from last 60 minutes, 50 minutes. So you liked my presentation. If not, you will not stay. Nobody will stay if they don't like something. So